Humanity likes to believe it understands its own planet. We've mapped continents, we've studied weather, we've cataloged millions of species. But there is one place we avoid talking about. Not because it's unreachable, not because it's distant, but because it's too close. Beneath the surface of the ocean, beneath the waves that look calm, familiar, harmless, lies a world that doesn't want us there. A world so hostile, so alien, that even our best technology struggles to survive inside it. And here's the disturbing part. We know more about space than we know about the deepest parts of our own oceans, which raises a terrifying question. Why? Space is often described as the ultimate nightmare. No oxygen, no sound, no gravity. One wrong move and you die. And yet space feels strangely understandable. Its dangers are clear, its rules are simple. You can see the stars, you can see the void. Nothing is hiding from you. Space doesn't pretend to be safe. It tells you immediately you do not belong here. But fear doesn't come only from danger. Fear comes from uncertainty, and that's where the deep sea wins. The ocean lies to us. At the surface, it looks peaceful, blue, beautiful. Tourists swim, boats pass by, sunlight dances on the waves. But this is an illusion, because the ocean is layered, and each layer strips away something human. Light, warmth, sound, orientation. At around 200 meters, sunlight begins to weaken. At 1,000 meters, it disappears completely. Below that, no sunrise, no sunset, no day, no night, just endless darkness. A darkness so complete, your brain begins to panic, because humans evolved to see, and the deep sea takes that away. Scientists divide the ocean into zones, not for curiosity, but for survival. The sunlight zone is where life feels familiar. The twilight zone is where shadows stretch and shapes distort. Then comes the midnight zone. No light, no plants, only predators and prey. And beneath that, the abyss. A place so extreme that even bacteria struggle to exist. And yet, life does exist, which means something adapted to conditions that would instantly kill us. Pressure is invisible. You can't hear it. You can't smell it. You can't see it. But it is always there. For every 10 meters you descend, pressure increases by 1 atmosphere. At extreme depths, the pressure is equivalent to having several fully loaded trucks stacked on every square inch of your body. In space, your body expands. In the deep sea, it compresses. Bones bend, metal warps, glass shatters. Submarines don't sink quietly. They implode. And when that happens, death is instantaneous. Not dramatic, not painful, just erased. In movies, deep-sea disasters show panic and escape. Reality is worse. If something goes wrong deep underwater, there is no rapid ascent, no rescue team, no backup plan. Communication lags, signals distort, cables snap. You are alone. And the water above you is not empty. It is crushing. Life in the deep sea did not evolve beauty. It evolved efficiency. Eyes grow massive or disappear entirely. Bodies become transparent. Teeth grow inward and outward at the same time. The anglerfish uses light to hunt. The viperfish has teeth too large for its skull. The gulper eel can swallow prey larger than itself. These creatures don't chase. They wait, because in the deep sea, movement wastes energy. And that's unsettling, because it means something could be right in front of you, and you would never know. For centuries, sailors spoke of massive creatures. Kraken, sea serpents, shadows beneath ships. Science laughed, until it didn't. The giant squid was once considered a myth. Now we know it exists. And if something that large remained hidden for so long, what else did? The deep sea allows size without exposure. You can grow enormous and never be seen. The ocean is not silent. It hums, cracks, groans. In 1997, sensors picked up a sound. Low frequency, extremely powerful. It was named the Bloop. Some say it was ice. Others aren't convinced, because the sound behaved like something alive. It moved, and whatever produced it was larger than anything we know. Exploring the deep sea is harder than space. Satellites don't work, GPS fails, radio waves die. Every mission costs millions. And the payoff? Data. Not glory, no flags, no headlines, just risk. And that makes people hesitate. Humans fear the deep sea because it removes control. You cannot swim away. You cannot fight. You cannot see. You are insignificant, and your brain knows it. This is why thalassophobia exists. Fear of vast, dark water. Fear of not knowing what's beneath you. Space is distant. The ocean is beneath us. Space feels optional. The ocean is unavoidable. Every continent rests on it. Every civilization depends on it. And yet, we barely understand it. Space is terrifying because it is empty. The deep sea is terrifying because it is full. Full of pressure, full of darkness, full of life that doesn't need us. Maybe the reason we haven't explored it fully isn't technology. Maybe it's instinct, because some places on Earth were never meant to be conquered, only respected. And maybe that's why the deep sea will always be scarier than space.